Now, may the God of hope fill you with joy and peace in believing that you may abound by the power of the Holy Spirit. Romans 15:13.
Hey TNC fam, it's Sienna.
Yours truly, Tavon.
And today we decided that we were going to turn my channel into a couple's channel. The reason for this is because you guys love seeing Tavon and you love seeing us together. So we thought that this would be a good way to share our life and our content with you guys.
I think that was a good decision we made. You will be seeing a lot more funny videos coming out soon. And why are you looking at me like that? Babe is funny too, right? But it's just going to be an enhancement, I would say. But y'all stay tuned.
Not even that funny though.
Y'all stay tuned. You'll be seeing me much more shortly.
In today's video, we're going to be vlogging. Today we're going to the beach. Sorry, I was having a brain fart. Today we're going to the beach and we're going to be bringing Luna along with us because she's the only one of our dogs who likes to swim. The rest of them hate water. She enjoys swimming though, so her and Tavon are going to be, you know, swimming, living it up. Guys, I started nesting for baby girl's arrival, and so I wanted to show you guys like the new addition to our room, because if you don't know, we live with our in-laws. Well, I live with my in-laws. We live with Tavon's parents. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, so we're all gonna be sharing a bedroom until we move. But last night I washed all of her clothes and everything, and so I just organized the stuff. So she has her swaddles over here. She has her onesies, like her undershirts, her socks, her hats, and her receiving blankets. And in this next drawer, she has like her 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 month clothing. And then down here, she has a few bottoms, a few like zip up onesies, and these are like little sleepers. And in this basket, we have her diapers and her wipes. And over here is gonna be like her basket for her bathing. But right now I have some bibs in here because I don't have a place to put them just yet. But she has her brush, she has her body wash, and her washcloths over here. Some hand sanitizer. And then her little princess sign that Tavon's mom got for her. I haven't found a place for this, but this is just a car seat cover, and this is the blanket that's gonna go in her car seat. And then this is just like a little pillow, like to give her a little bit more head support in her car seat. So once we actually get her car seat, then I will be putting all of that stuff in the car, of course. Over here, she has her bathtub and a few pairs of shoes. I haven't really decided where I was going to put this stuff just yet. A couple bibs. Stay tuned for this video coming soon. Hey guys, we finally made it to the beach. We're both super hungry, so we stopped to get some food. Luna is over there chilling. I can't see what I look like, so I hope I'm not looking crazy. Hi, you went swimming? You have fun? Woo! You have fun? Oh, babe, she was scared.
Oh yeah, boy.
Yeah, it burned.
No rubber.
It burned.
Yeah.
Oh, you look good. Hold on. Yes, let me just take a moment to appreciate how sexy you are. Ooh. Go do that thing where they come out the water all slow. All right, now say hi to the people.
Hey guys, how you doing?
How you feeling?
Feeling good. The water's
You
nice.
look good.
Nice. Look good. Feel good.
Woo. Look
How
good,
she
feel
built
good.
it?
Babe, you need to take your earrings out before you lose them. Don't suck your teeth. All right, y'all. If he don't take his earrings out, look. I ain't gonna tell you again.
Take them off, man.
Huh?
Take them off.
For what?
I said take them off.
For you? Okay.
Your daughter. Your daughter.
Y'all, Tavon got scratched up. Babe.
Your daughter.
Dang.
Don't like.
Yeah, she was. It was the wave. Luna, you was scared? Huh? We never really took her where they have waves. We only took her to like the brackish water, so she was super scared. But yeah, I'm gonna go and join them. So right now I'm doing some self-reflection, and I bought my journal. So I'm gonna write in my journal and basically take some time with God right now. Babe is still swimming and he's taking his time in the water because he loves water. But me, on the other hand, I don't really feel like being wet right now. Luna is, of course, with mommy. So we're just gonna write and we're gonna reflect. Currently just basking in the sun. How you feeling? Huh? Is that how you feeling? Ugh.
Wasn't tired but hungry.
Oh, so you came to get some pizza? And going back in the water? Okay, Luna, no.
Don't.
He's not ready to go yet, but y'all, I'm cold. Like, you know how when you get out the water, like you be cold. So I'm starting to get ready. If it was up to Tavando, we would be here literally all day. All right, so we're about to play fetch for a little bit. We found a ball, so.
Y'all, this is not a good look. She usually is good at fetch, I promise. Okay, now let's try this again. Well, that's embarrassing.
Guys, so I realized last night I did not close out the vlog, so thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when we post our next video.